Morning, Christine Regan Lake here. Welcome to Love, Sex, and Money. So, today I wanted to talk to you about limbic bonding. What is limbic bonding? So, limbic bonding is what makes casual sex um, much more challenging than one might think, and it also makes leaving a bad relationship harder. And here's why. Limbic bonding is essentially a chemical process that happens in the brains of both individuals who are engaged in a connection. So, when two people come together and they are spending time together and they are looking into each other's eyes, they're hugging, they're holding hands, they're engaging in sex. Every encounter that you engage in that, you are actually creating deeper and deeper, stronger and stronger bonds to that person. And there are actual chemical reactions that take place in the brain, in the limbic system, that helps to solidify and cement this limbic bond. So, what happens is when you're spending time with that other person, you're becoming emotionally invested in that person. As that's happening, certain chemicals are being released in the brain. Dopamine, for example, is released in the brain. And there are two neuropeptides that are released, both in men, one in women and one in men. So in women, in this limbic bonding process, oxytocin is released. And for men, it's arginine vasopressin. I hope I said that, or AVP. I hope I said that right. AVP is a neuropeptide. And what these neuropeptides do is they are chemically bonding you to that person. And so this is why casual relationships can be more challenging than you think. You think that you're going to be completely independent, you don't really care, you're totally disconnected, disassociated, whatever. But the reality is there are things going on in your body that are bonding you to that person, whether you realize it or not. Now, the other challenging thing is that if you're in a long-term relationship, the longer time you spend with an individual, the stronger these limbic bonds get. So you can be in an incredibly unhealthy relationship and yet you find it almost impossible to leave. And it's because of that limbic bonding that's gone on within your body to this person. And so if you actually decide to try to walk away after you've been in a long-term relationship with someone where this limbic bond is very, very strong, you will find it very, very difficult. What your body's defense mechanism is going to do is it's going to start flooding you with self-doubt. It's going to start flooding you with, all sorts of questions about how, you just need to change you and things like that. And so that's what can keep people in deeply unhealthy relationships is this limbic bonding. So that's just a short little insight I wanted to share with you with regard to limbic bonding. The human body is incredibly complex, and there's so much more going on in our bodies than we sometimes realize. And that's why I've said in numerous other videos the challenges of casual sex, are deeper than you think. It's not kind of this surface thing. When two bodies and two humans are coming together, emotionally, and the sexual act is a deeply intimate relationship. Even if you're trying to hold on to the belief or the mindset or the mind frame that it's actually just a physical act, it's not. There's much more to it, and that limbic bonding is at the heart of that. That's what it is. I have other videos, if you haven't seen them, talking about the soul ties that are created when you have sex and how you absorb other people's negative energy when you're engaging in intercourse with them because the bodies are merging. So I would encourage you to watch those videos if you haven't seen those, just so that you're fully knowledgeable and understand what's going on with your physical body when you are engaging with another human being in sex. Because, sex is a big deal, as I've said, and it's a beautiful deal. It's incredibly nourishing and beautiful and sacred if done with the right person, with the right intention, and in the right situation and scenario and stuff like that. So, it's all about the vibration and the intention that you bring to the connection that will really, mediate and control, how beautiful the connection is or how dysfunctional the connection is. So, obviously, if you're on the, in an aspirational path and you're looking to have an intimate connection that is beautiful and sacred and holy, then you have to treat it as such. And I have a video on that as well, on co-creating a sacred relationship. So I hope you found value in that. Just a short little snippet talking about the limbic system and how those neuropeptides, are influencing your limbic bond to another human being during sexual intercourse, during eye gazing, during hugging, kissing, and things like that. All of those activities, all of those, activities of being affectionate and connected and looking into someone's eyes and sharing your hopes and dreams and connecting emotionally, all of those things create this stronger and stronger and stronger limbic bond to that other person. So I hope you enjoyed that. Have a beautiful day. If you are not aware, I have a link in the description box for Operation Underground Railroad. I am an abolitionist, and I'm committed to raising $1 million to rescue these children from human trafficking. There are over 2 million children in slavery today, and it is my mission to rescue as many of those children as I can. So if you feel inclined to donate to that foundation, I would be so grateful. Every penny goes to them. It's a link directly to their fundraising site. So hope you found value. Have a beautiful day, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.